In the Plateau Montreal area, there are many duplexes and triplexes that have become a signature design, complete with red brick, stonework, and classic cornices at the top of the building. Well, this Triplex Fabre is one of them. But what makes it different is that this house was completely renovated by local studio Atelier L'Abri, together with the construction team Modulor Construction. The goal? Not only to make it look fresher, but also so that it can accommodate 2 generations of the family in one house. Once you step inside, the atmosphere changes completely. The interior design uses a more minimalist approach, with a neutral color palette and uniform textures. The goal is not just to be stylish, but to make the space feel calm, bright, and airy. What makes this project even more special is that 2 children from the homeowner's family were directly involved in the renovation process. One is an architecture graduate, the other is a carpenter, and they really work together with the design and construction team. So it's not just about aesthetics, but also about the emotional connection between the house and its occupants. The interior layout was also rethought. The bedrooms and bathrooms were made compact so that the family room could be more open and flexible. The result? The house feels more alive, more natural light, and comfortable for daily mobility. One of my favorite parts is the back of the house. The back facade was enlarged, the balconies were opened and expanded, so each unit has its own outdoor area that is truly functional. They even made a really unique backyard shed, covered with white corrugated metal, so it looks modern but still intimate. The Triplex Fabre House is not just an example of a cool house, but it is a real inspiration for all of us that a house can be a space that is intergenerational, that it can respect history, but also be ready to welcome the future. And good design is not about luxury or expensive, but about understanding who will live there and how they will live in it. See you in the next video.